question was asked in our last video for a good book about Allis Chalmers to read, so I grabbed 5 of them off my shelf that I recommend. An Industrial Heritage by Walter F. Peterson, published in 1978 while Allis Chalmers was still in business. The best book on the overall history of the company from 1847 till the 1970s. If you want an in-depth look at the company, this is the book for you. The Allis Chalmers Story by C.H. Wendell. Wendell's book also gives a history of the company, but what I really like about it is that it's an encyclopedia of all of Allis Chalmers' different products. Everything from flour mills to refrigerators gets a mention. I have about 30 bookmarks in my copy right now. Allis Chalmers Farm Equipment, 1914 to 1985 by Norm Swinford. Norm spent 30 years working for the company. If your interest is mainly in the farm equipment division of Allis Chalmers, then this book is a must-have. Be prepared to pay for it though. It's out of print and used copies can be expensive. He also wrote a book on Allis Chalmers construction equipment, but I don't have a copy of that yet. Plow Peddler by Walter M. Buescher. Walter also worked for Allis Chalmers, starting in 1936 as an assembly line worker at the LaPorte plant, and retiring in 1975 as the sales promotion manager of the farm equipment division. His book contains personal stories from when he worked at the company and the many people he worked with. The last chapter with his view on why the company failed is a good read. And last but not least, Old Tractors and the Men Who Loved Them by Roger Welsch. Roger loved the Allis Chalmers WC tractor, and this book contains his stories, tips, and humor from his experiences of working on them. A good book not only for Allis Chalmers fans, but old tractor fans in general. And if you need music to listen to while you read, you can never go wrong with pulling out the record player and listening to Loretta Lynn. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.